Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we have something truly special for all the home decor enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the best kitchen wall art you can find in the market. The first wall art modern 4 panels canvas fresh fruit on the table. This stunning piece of art is not just a decoration. It's a conversation starter, a mood enhancer, and a vibrant addition to your kitchen space. Stay tuned as we dive into the details and discover why this canvas wall art is making waves. One of the first things you'll notice about this kitchen wall art is its exceptional quality. It's a giclée artwork, which means the picture is printed on high-quality canvas with precision and attention to detail. The print is vibrant, with colors that pop, making it a perfect addition to your kitchen decor. Plus, it's gallery wrapped and stretched over a 0.75-inch wood frame, ensuring durability and longevity. Now, here's what sets this piece apart. It's ready to hang right out of the box. Each panel comes with a black hook mounted on the back, making installation a breeze. No need to worry about finding the right hardware or fussing with complicated instructions. Within minutes, you can transform your kitchen space into a cozy and inviting area with this beautiful wall art. The versatility of this canvas art is another standout feature. It's not just for the kitchen. You can use it in your living room, bedroom, office, dining room, bathroom, or even your bar. The colorful and fresh fruit theme suits various settings and complements different interior styles. No matter where you place it, this piece will add a touch of elegance and a burst of color to your space. Now, let's take a moment to hear what customers have to say about this first wall art piece. With a stellar rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that buyers are impressed. Customers appreciate the lightweight, print quality, and excellent value for money. Many have praised the picture quality, highlighting its brightness and clarity. In conclusion, the first wall art modern 4 panels canvas fresh fruit on the table is undoubtedly the best kitchen wall art you can find. Its exceptional quality, easy installation, and versatile decor options make it a top choice for homeowners looking to elevate their kitchen space. If you're ready to add a touch of elegance and charm to your kitchen or any other room, don't hesitate to grab this fantastic piece of art. You won't be disappointed. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this wall art, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.